Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today's going to be a quick little hair video. I haven't done a hair video in a hot minute. Feels like a while anyway. I posted this look on Instagram not too long ago and I just decided that I would make a quick video and show you how I did it. It's pretty simple. If you're lucky enough to have long beautiful hair and you don't need extensions, then I hate you. Just kidding. Then obviously this look's going to be way easier for you, so all you have to do is wave your hair and put it up in a pony. But anyway, I just wanted to show you how you can get this look with extensions. So if you want to see how I do it, then please keep watching. This is the length of my hair right now. My sides kind of broke off and they're just like starting to grow again. I think what happened was I wasn't using proper conditioners and leave-in conditioners, and my hair was getting really dry and it was just breaking off. Back here is fine, but along the sides it's just not. Like, see, we're getting there. It's growing, but it's taking a while. Usually I just kind of let my hair part wherever it wants. I have like a little calf slick and I have a widow's peak, and I have just like a weird hairline that just doesn't want to do what you tell it to do. So I usually just kind of let it do whatever the fuck it wants, to be honest. So if I put my hair in a ponytail at the back, this is what we're up against here. 10 strands of hair. Aw, did I have lipstick on my teeth that whole time? Probably did. So yeah, this is what my hair is like by itself. Can't even bring it to the side. So I'm gonna show you how I get a nice long messy ponytail. So I'm just gonna section my hair first, because I'm going to put my extensions in. So I just section it like so. And these are my extensions that I use. So they already have a little bit of a wave in it because that's how I usually wear them. These are from a company called Zala Hair Extensions. They're based in Australia and I really like them. I think these ones cost me $250 maybe. But like, it's a good like chunk of hair. These are my second pair of extensions from them and I really like them. And this is the colour it comes in, so it matches perfectly with my hair. I think the shade's called Ice Queen. So I'm just gonna lightly back comb the root like so. Just so when I put my hair extension in, it has something to grip onto. I don't want to go too crazy, like just like 2 or 3 times just to back comb the root. I have a few other videos on hair extensions that I've done, but what I like to do is I like to double up. So I will double up 2 layers of hair extensions. So I have like 2 rows of extension. So I just get my clip and I just clip it on to this hair so it sticks like this. So the reason I like to do this is because my head is quite small and I can never fit all the extensions in. But I kind of need all the extensions because I want all the thickness. So my head just doesn't fit enough of them. So if you have a small head like me, try this. It works so good. So I clip the row in and then this row is already clipped onto this bit of hair. Then I have a row of 5 clips and I have that doubled as well. So I'm just gonna take down another section. Like so, and then again I'm just gonna back comb the root. I have one more row that goes at the back. The last one that goes at the back then is just one single row with 3 clips. So for my sides, I have one with 2 clips and one with 1 clip. Starting off with the 1 piece. And then above that, I'm just gonna place the 2nd piece. So, which I probably should have done first, which I was planning on doing first, was just taking my own little bits of hair here and just putting a slight little wave on them. But that's okay, we can do it now. So I'm gonna use my hair wand. This one is from Foxy Bay. I'm gonna use the glove because anytime I touch a hair wand, I burn myself. See this little thing right here? That's a burn from about 2 weeks ago and I still have it. So I'm gonna do it right this time. Shit, what hand am I supposed to put it on? Clearly the wrong hand key. Make sure you put your glove on the correct hand. Doesn't really matter what way you bend this. It's just really just to get a bend on it. The temperature I have this on, by the way, is 360. So see the way that's just a tiny little bend. You don't want to make it too curly because you want it to kind of just like blend in with this. So see, that kind of helps it blend a little bit more. Who lived in the days when you used to have to iron your hair? Because I did. And yes, I did burn my face multiple times. Usually what I like to do is I do like to curl my extensions before I put them in my hair. But just for the sake of this tutorial, I thought it would be easier for me to put them in and then curl them. I'm going to go over bits of this. It doesn't have to be perfect because it is all going to be tied up. But I am going to take sections and just curl random pieces. So I'm going to start off with about this much. And again, it doesn't matter what direction you put them in because, as I said, we're going to like tie it back. Usually I would be very particular the direction that I curl my extensions in, but not this time. So there's one curl, which is a little bit curlier than I usually go, but that's okay because the next one I take, I won't leave it on as long. We'll get a looser curl. So you want like a mixture of different type of waves. You don't really want it curly, you want it wavy. Yeah, you see the way that one dropped a lot nicer? That one kind of looks okay as is, so I'm not going to curl that one. I know I said it doesn't matter what direction you do it in, it doesn't really, but alternate your curl. So do some forward and some backwards, so then when you put it up, all the curls don't fall straight into one curl. I don't even know if that makes sense, but I hope it does. Oh my god, I think my cat just farted. So I'm going to just see this little bit of hair here and just really slightly wrap it around, just like for a second or two. So see that I just put that slight little bend here. Okay, so I'm going to take my tangle teaser. If you don't have one of these, you need one. They're honestly the best thing ever. Takes any knots out your hair. So good, especially if you have like long hair or hair that like tends to get a little bit knotty, or you wear extensions. You need one of these. This is one I got sent to me in like a random PR, but I do have another bright pink one that I have, like that I got way back when I used to work in a hairdresser's. I probably have my other tangle teaser about 10 years and it's still perfect. Like there's nothing wrong with it. So they last pretty much forever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna comb this out. I just usually start with the ends and then work my way up. I like to just separate it and just kind of move it around and let it kind of do what it wants to do basically. So I do not like a lot of product in my hair. I don't like the feel of it. I feel like it dries my hair, it makes it sticky, I just don't like it. And I also don't like to put a lot of product in my extensions, like if I can help it, because then I have to wash them more often, which wrecks my head. So out of sheer laziness, that's why I don't like it in my extensions. But I have found one that I do like. This is from Amika and it's called Undone, and it's a volume and matte texture spray. So it helps like hold the texture in your hair without making it feel like shit basically. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to give it a shake first, and I'm just going to spray it in through the mid-lengths of my hair. It smells delicious too. But I just feel like it just helps like hold that texture and just gives it that more of a beachy vibe to it. So all I do now is tie it back in a low pony. So once you have it up like this, then I can go in and just like fix the sides, pull any little pieces down, hide my extensions. And then just to cover up the bobbin, because it's black, I'm just going to take a piece of hair and I'm just going to wrap it around the bobbin. Just going to take a little bobby pin. And then obviously you can just leave it at the back, you can bring it around to the side, however you want to wear it. I just like leaving it at the back. So So that pretty much ends this video. I hope you enjoyed this hair video. If you have any other hair ideas, let me know and I will try them. Anyway, thanks so much for checking in. Keep glowing and I'll see you in the next one.